This is an antique Singer Featherweight from 1934. The serial number is AD722047. It's from the second batch of Featherweights ever made. There was a batch in October 3rd, 1933 of 10,000. And this is from the second batch, September 10th, 1934, which makes it Featherweight number 11,301. It's got a rewired. It's pretty good condition, especially for its age. And I rebuilt the motor. I've got 4 layers of denim, and I'm just basically going to show you how well it stitches. Then we'll do back stitch. And then forward. You see, it goes pretty quick too. It's got a good motor on it. And there you can see equal stitch on both sides. I wanted to point out a couple subtle differences with these early versions. One is the thread tensioner does not have a dial, it's just the thumb screw on a spring. The other is the bobbin winder guide is down here on the body, where the newer versions, it's located up top here. And that's about it. It's got an older pedal, and the case itself is different.